run. The countdown has just begun. Are you ready?
Welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I'm doing a quick review and unbox of this 3-inch electronic cutout. This version is the remote control version. Keep an eye on my videos because very soon I'm going to be doing an install video at home of this cutout, of this exhaust cutout. So in the case you don't want to bring your car to a garage, you can do it in your home with only using a couple of reductors or pipes and the pretty cheap, inexpensive Harbor Freight welder. So stay tuned. If you don't subscribe to my channel yet, please do it, and also don't forget to turn on the notifications. Hit the like button and share my videos with your friends. Also, if you don't have this cutout, I left a link on the description in case you want to check it out or buy it. If you buy this item using my link, you help my channel because Amazon gives me a little commission out of that sale at no expenses to you. So far, I can tell you this thing is pretty well constructed, and here you can see the V-band piece. This piece you can point toward any direction you want to exhaust the gases. Here's the remote control unit. The only downside I can tell you is the only way you can use this electronic cutout is by the remote control and comes with only one. As you can see, this is a seated system and you can add a switch, but in the future I'm going to try to open this thing and modify to use also a switch. And as you can see here, it comes with the car lighter, so it's pretty convenient if you want to make a quick installment. And the remote comes with battery, but I'm going to cut that end and make a conceal wiring to this system. This kit is an old brand one, you know, like a Chinese. Here is the two gaskets and the electronic part. Now I'm going to take some measurements to show you in this part. As you can see in the screen, this flap is 3/4 of the actual 3-inch, because this flap needs to move inside the inner diameter of the tube. So that's why that's the reason this flap is smaller than 3-inch. So don't be afraid when you get one of these kits, because this is totally normal. I own like 3 kits in the past and all the kits are the same. Now I'm going to keep taking measurement of everything, so you can know what you are going to expect with when you get your own kit. Now I'm going to show you every weld on this wide section. You can see it's a pretty good quality weld, pretty tight. And on this area you can see there's no welding, because it's impossible to weld that from the outside. So they weld this in the inside. And this is the only flaw I can find in everything. I bet this gasket comes pinched over this area. Well, this is easily fixable, because this gasket is manageable. Now I'm going to give it a shot and try how this thing works. And please don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, leave me a comment, any questions you have or anything you want to tell me, and share my videos with your friends. And remember, in my channel always is in a Spanish version and an English version. So if you see the Spanish version first, just hang tight. In 1 or 2 days I put the English version. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, my people. See ya.